So you mean your husband is maltreating you? And you've been keeping quiet all this while?
So I've been thinking of what to do until I met you, honestly.
That will not happen, not when I'm still alive.
Okay.
Not when I'm still a barrister of this continent. Not when I'm still a barrister.
Look at him. This is him. This is Car.
Come, stop there. Come on. Stop there.
You what?
Stop there. If you pee, I pee you. If you pee, I will pee you forever. Come down from that car.
Barrister, this is him. This is my husband. He's the man I've been telling you about. He doesn't even have my time. Ever since he married, this is 2 years now. He doesn't have my time.
What? Come down. Mr. Man, do you know whom this woman is? And mind you have the right to remain silent. Because whatever you say here now will be used against you in the federal court of law.
Hey! I hear me.
Do you know her or you don't know her?
Okay.
I am asking you and you're keeping me quiet. Do you know this woman or you didn't know her?
Barrister, you just said that I have every right to remain silent. That whatever I do or say here will be used against me in the law court. And you still expect me to say something. I can't say that I'm silent. I'm watching you in Kitty.
Okay, right now, I put it to you.
Continue.
That whatever question I ask you here right now, you need to answer me diligently. Otherwise, I will charge you for silent admonition. Yeah! Speak! Do you know her or you don't know her?
Barrister, I'm in a haste, but I'll give you that respect because of this cap. Because of this cap, I'm going to give you that respect and regard.
Wait,
now you see...
You want to give me respect because of cap? Hey! Not even because of who I be. Cap, or we are grown-up lawyer.
Your cap is who you are inclusive.
My cap cannot be who I be. Cap is for cap of court. I be who I be. Respect me for who I be, not for cap.
No problem.
I respect you, the whole of you, your entity. I respect you for who you are and your cap.
My entity. Muma entity.
Yeah. Who you are, barrister, who you are, I respect you, sir.
Better.
Hey!
Go on to explanation. Who is she to
barrister,
you?
This woman here is a total regret. I regret the very day I met her.
Yeah!
She's very stupid, very lousy, very lazy, whatever word you can use to condemn an idiot like her.
This is plain.
Wait a minute.
You
stand before my very two eyes to abuse her and embarrass her. Another offense. I'm going to charge you for human rights particulars. I'm going to arrest you and charge you for human rights particulars. After dealing with her in the house, after maltreating her, after leaving her for other women, you still have the effrontery to stand before my present nose eyes to call her stupid. For una they treat woman anyhow for this Nigeria. Maybe when me barrister of federation is involved. Now that I have come into this case, Makachine Igbo Krela. Igbo Krela, what did she do you?
Barrister, see, you know the kind of thing I do. I'm a social media person. Every now and then I have to keep my fans updated. So it's not my fault. That's my career and I have to keep it. Understand? I have to keep my fans alive. I have to always go live.
I have heard your own story from my offices. Ogangwa talk, what did she do you? What did make you come the treat am like this? What did make you come the live and go the follow Mochengom guests? Araban ko katana da chapulia. Hapu ko mari chan wan me dio.
Are you playing?
Mbobra na come here in the office. E was gana ngu barrister jiklatoro wom. Barrister we mo chineke ni mem. E nwuru jakko kokro te ko yo temru oku be. What akri bro the honey na aga huje. She was complaining that she had been honey. Tell you the honey, yes, I am honey. It was gonna all now Muru by the standation of how good is a cut to your honey. But your honeyness, you be fair to be here. But I'm to go to Macajicalato when because I did them honey walk there somehow. But I have to calm down because of getting I am a law enforcement agency and I cannot make law and also destroy law. Any home spoke.
Nick. Since you want us to bring out our family before the public, no problem. Barrister, I'm going to tell you everything that has happened.
Everything?
I will tell you everything.
Good. Number one,
Barrister, this is close to 5 years. Next month will be officially 5 years that I got married to this idiot.
Hey!
First month, second month of our marriage was very good and nice. Until I lost my so-called beautiful wife to social media. Until this girl here became a social media addict. Yeah! Barrister, tell me, Which man, even you as my fellow man, can you condone the fact that you married a woman who doesn't cook for you, who doesn't give you attention? Every day, if it's not Facebook, it will be Instagram. If not Instagram, it will be TikTok. By middle of the night, after having a stressful day, I am not going to come back to my house and have food to eat and have peace of mind. Yeah. By 1 a.m., 2 a.m., when a man is stressed out, when I'll be lying down to have rest for the day, for the night, this girl here will on her ring light. The next thing I will see is a TikTok video. She calls herself a content creator.
Are you playing?
Middle of the night, by 1 a.m., I'm gonna know. A wife. Middle of the night. That one is not my problem. This is 5 years now. We don't have any child.
This is playing.
No issue at all. Ask her, Joya. Joy this girl.
Now you will know sabi do. I be waiting they take do not the work. What you make for 5 years, man and woman, wanna be man.
I know sabi do.
Yes, I should ask.
Hey! Barrister, I've gone to the hospital. They have cross-examined me. They've run a test on me. I am 100% okay. Okay. My father has 9 children, including me.
Alone is enough to enter your stomach. And then him, why you never born?
Fine. I'm going to tell. I will tell him. I will tell him. Barrister, in the middle of the night, continue. When man and woman should have their family get together, you can understand. I told my wife, she will tell me no. For no good reason. Ask her. She will tell you she doesn't want to get pregnant because of her fans. If she gets pregnant, she will lose her fan base. Her fans, they love her because of her body build, her figure. She doesn't want to have stretch marks on her stomach. Can you imagine? Did I marry my wife because of the fans? She cannot cook for me. That's the problem. She doesn't take care of any hard shows in that house. Every day is for the fans. It's for the fans, Neka, for the fans.
No problem.
Hey, Elizabeth, in them. Hit a blam notch. Okay, do every day new story. Wait, she said because of her fans. Yes. She no one born picking. Hey. She no one make belle get straight mass. You dey naked to come on your own fan. So now because of fan, you no one give your husband a bonge. Yeah, you go get another mama.
This is playing.
Hey, beautiful nonsense. Beautiful nonsense. You see it? Not be first way first go complain. Now in the first win. Many times, many men or women are passing through the same thing he had just complained now. But all of us, if they bring them out, nobody go ask what is the main issue. Because when you come explain to me, if say I start judging from what you told me there, you see say I go kill this man. It's good when you hear from the man, you also hear from the woman. So you are living your life for your fans. Why did you get married in the first place?
Ask her.
You know one born pikin.
Ask her.
Your fans want to, they go run away. So tomorrow in the future, your fans will come become pikin to you. Come in a beauty pageant. Hey! That's
not all. That is not all. The very one that got me heartbroken. A few days ago, I was having my bed in my bathroom. Then I had someone push my door. I turned. Next thing I saw was this girl, this idiot, this riffraff. She was on live video on Instagram. The next thing, as you can see, my sexy husband is having his bait. Barrister, to be honest with you, everything you wouldn't want cake at this girl and a live video, the whole world at home. Hey! I was receiving calls up and down. They were calling me, hey, what happened? I saw you on live video, you were naked. For what reason? Because of this girl I married? This idiot! Hey, Lord Jesus. Jesus.
Hi. La particular every damn buy now. You matter well look on Igbo. You're talking on one either now.
Go like you see it.
Hey! As you cook women or couldn't wogu. Money mono take what she would take and with a beautiful dog. You know, take home katana family and a beautiful dog, a beautiful dog. Okay. Beauty without brain. Hey! What has come over you?
Content creator.
You they create content, that's all others they do. All these married women where they create content for social media, they know they feed their family. They not born picking. Don't let you be woman where they create content. Why your own go come dey different?
Hey!
As you come show your husband naked, that means you cannot take in a senior and you get here. You buy the whole long.
Some people are complaining.
Yes, now.
Something they are saying.
For you to walk into your husband's bedroom, a boss saga. With them, Panaka walk and Madame go.
Jesus!
Or will the barbarian go walk? And Namo, not George. With them, walk a man, Jim, man, deal Lagalo. See you one needle. That is in Kagan, not an Ebenilan. Eh? Give an office, Munga, Nonga, Agusan. You know they look to you. You know they take care of you. Okay. He doesn't have your time. He's always busy with the phone. And I'm not going to want you to be busy with the phone. Beautiful liar.
Are you playing?
Listen, let me tell you. Whatever that is so sweet also kills. Open and hear me now. The earlier you start rethinking, the better for you. You may think that all these people, when they sing your praise now, they will continue. The moment you are pushed out of this marriage, they will start clapping, they will start laughing at you. Continue. So it's better you look for the black sheep while the sun is still shining. To avoid the had I know. Tomorrow is very big. For 5 good years, you don't want your sheep to come out. Your mother can't born you. How is your mother now? Is she not proud to have you? Won't you be proud to have your own child tomorrow? Because of fans, you don't want to take it. Eh? And the man is just, if not that the man is somebody who is, he should be swallowing everything. Hey! But he is very smart to speak out. They say when your marriage is having a scratch, speak out for people to help you. Now you have to say sorry to your husband. And they minimize all those nonsenses. Do your business online. Do your content creating. But let there be limits. How can you do such a thing? You want mad, Igbo for that matter. About neck. Give on social media. Hey! Once you are neck, you can say neck ma. That is, mother is beautiful. Mother is the best. You should be a mother and represent your name. What nonsense?
Barrister, this is not why I called you. I don't know why you're saying something else. This is not why I called you. I was the one that called you first to come and arrest. I want you to sue my husband to court.
I am going to sue you, idiot. I will sue you and sue whatever that is singing a song for you. May arrest here. I will sue you and sue your pathological system of incompetence. You are very, very stupid. I will sue you for pornography. I will sue you for naked incubation.
Thank you.
How can you choose on social media? Must everything go to social media? Don't they have limits? When you do your comedy post, do your teaching. So many married women, they do cooking. There are so many things to learn over this. What you children here
This is
even if I say you know the two last. So
then I don't last long.
How would I know that you are very small? She said everything the way it is. The woman questioning when some here. That even that you're just a few seconds man. Say
few seconds? Neka. I don't last long. Is that what you told this man?
Hey!
Barrister, to be honest with you, I can stay 1 hour on this lady, but I don't have such opportunity.
Nah, calm down. You got no 1 hour. See what you are boasting of. I can say 1 hour. What that's boasting? How many hours? It doesn't matter whether you stay 10 hours or 2 hours. What matters is the value of what you drop, or even if it's in a second. You know, 1 hour still. One man hang up. Me na share use of really care you take. We don't want to me only. Why not log? You don't maybe bomb in here. If you want to answer a man, you answer a man. If you want to answer a woman, you answer a woman. I don't want to paint you on, get paint you on. All you know, no paint most times. The strength will now go into beauty. A man could sleep to who can say this is a man. These days, okay, when you like a home, why you make lecture for the butcher powder and a bag of Jania pancake. Okay. Or the if you're an artist, I'm going to limit. You mustn't do everything women are doing. King with them one mariote. King no alani. Both of you should be careful. Everybody that is hearing my voice should be careful. In fact, I am arresting you for pornography.
Thank you very much, sir.
I am arresting you for bringing out a full-fledged young man like this. Why am I one one?
How can you arrest me?
Why won't I arrest you?
I brought you to arrest my husband now.
Yeah. Now that you are at fault, I should still arrest him.
Yeah.
I don't make big bazu.
Thank you very much.
I don't make big bazu.
I will be going now.
Let's call a speed a speed. You are at fault.
Are you playing?
You are at fault.
Barrister, I'm the one who called you. You're supposed to arrest him.
I am arresting you for bringing his manhood into the social media. Everything must not go on social media. There is things meant for social media and there are things meant for family. You already have family. Buy now. You want to give your fans. No, allow them to chop your husband. Enter motor, you are under arrest for pornography.
Enter with motor. Why? I don't know this lady anymore. I don't even know you. Please, sir, let her go her way.
Okay, you are going to drop me at the court. Drop me at the court. Let me go and operate the judge. You cannot bring me here and apogam. I'm fighting for you. Guess me, don't know her. Never enter motor. Enter motor, you are under arrest.
Barrister.
You are under arrest, barrister. Enter. And mind what you say. Whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court.
Chai.
Start.
This is playing.
Now you are the drunk. Start motor. What can? Start it. I'm not getting the one. You're not getting the